In the final lead up to Election Day, the issue of health care is back in the spotlight.
Both former President Trump and Vice President Harris are offering very different proposals. NBC's Garrett Haake has a closer look at how each of their plans could affect you.
America's health care becoming a central issue in the late days of the campaign.
We will make America healthy again.
I believe health care should be a right and not just a privilege of those who can afford it.
House Speaker Mike Johnson telling a crowd in Pennsylvania this week, if Donald Trump wins, expect big changes.
He's going to be thinking about legacy, and we're going to fix these things.
No Obamacare?
No Obamacare. Yeah, the ACA is so deeply ingrained. We need massive reform.
Vice President Harris pouncing on Johnson's remarks.
Be very clear that among the stakes in this election are whether we continue with the Affordable Care Act or not.
Former President Trump in New Mexico Thursday saying that's not the case.
She says, I want to end Obamacare and take away your health care. That's a lie. We've come up with something better. That'll be great. And everybody wants that because Obamacare sort of sucks. It's too expensive for the people.
Harris has campaigned on strengthening the ACA. During Trump's first term, Republicans repeatedly tried and failed to repeal it. Trump now saying he wants a less burdensome option.
If we got something better, I would do it if it was less expensive.
Meanwhile, two campaign sources tell NBC if Trump wins, former candidate turned Trump supporter Robert Kennedy Jr. could play a pivotal role in reform, including on the battle against chronic childhood diseases.
President Trump has promised me is control of the public health agencies, which are HHS and its sub-agencies, CDC, FDA, NIH, and a few others.
But health experts have criticized Kennedy's repeated debunked claims attempting to draw links between vaccines and autism, as well as fringe conspiracies on antidepressants and COVID. Trump has repeatedly said Kennedy could have a role, including last night.
He can do anything he wants. And I say it jokingly, but I say, Bobby, I love you looking at health. I want you to take care of the women of this country, the men of this country, and the children of this country.
That was Garrett Haake reporting.